I'm gonna wear my favorite color tonight, all night.
Want to achieve this edit? Just follow these steps. Open Filmora app. Add your music either from the Filmora music gallery or extract audio from the any video in your gallery. Upload your main picture. Add text. For each alphabet, choose different font style. Add more text like this. Synchronize your text duration with the beat and add blue color overlay. Upload color overlay. Click mask, choose circle mask. Place it on left corner. Repeat same steps and add 5 more color overlays to fill the whole screen. Export. Upload it in a new project. Now from the point your clip ends, add another red overlay. Again, apply circle mask over it. Mark one keyframe at the beginning. Mark another at some gap, and enlarge size till it covers full screen. Add same red overlay in the main track too, and add text to it. Since with the beat, trim the text and add overlay pictures with red color theme. Crop overlay to 1:1. Place at left corner. Similarly, crop other 5 pictures to 1:1 and place over the screen. Now add blue image in main track. Add text over it, just like this. Add 5 images. Apply circle mask. Place each overlay at random spots. It should look like this. Add another color overlay. Apply circle mask over it. Place one side of image. Make 5 more copies and fill the screen. Now go to Effects. Apply this effect or any one of your choice as the text appears. Copy this effect at all the text displays. That's it. You are done. If you find this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and follow.